अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आप सब ने प्रीवियस वर्क लर्न किया होगा और उसकी राइटिंग भी कंप्लीट कर ली होगी। हैव यू डन? दैट्स वेरी नाइस। ओके, फिर आप लोगों से सुन लूँ या डिक्टेशन ले लूँ, छोटा सा एक टेस्ट हो जाए नेक्स्ट लेसन स्टार्ट करने से पहले। ओके, क्विकली पुट आउट योर रफ कॉपीज, हरी अप। ओके, डन? So let's start. You have to write any 5 words of rule number 1. Quickly write them down. You can pause the video and you have to write on your rough copy. Quickly do it. Hurry up. So it's done. Okay. अब आप लोग अपनी राइटिंग सीरीज ओपन करें, क्विकली चेक करें कि आप लोगों की कितने स्पेलिंग सही हैं और कितने रॉन्ग किए हैं आपने। क्विकली. Okay, and if you have got 5 out of 5, so you will get good from my side, and if you are getting 4 or 3 marks, so then you will get small star. Clear? Okay, done? That's very nice. Okay, and what was our first rule? Our first rule was Q is always followed by U. Yes. And today we are going to learn another rule, and it will be second rule number 2. And before starting that rule, मेरे पास मैं फिर आप लोगों के लिए एक छोटा सा क्विज़ लेकर आई हूँ। आप लोगों ने गेस करना है कि उसमें कॉमन क्या है, उसमें ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जो कॉमन है। ओके, स्टार्ट गेसिंग। लेट मी शो यू एंड यू विल स्टार्ट गेसिंग. Let me pronounce the word and then you have to find out what is common between all these words. Okay, look at the first one. Cell, facility, fancy, certainly, medicine, agency. Think clearly. When you will listen them once again, so you will get what is common between them. Let me read them once again. You can also read them, then you will get what is common between them. Cell, facility, fancy, certainly, medicine, agency. Think. So what is common? Yes, when जब आप लोगों ने इसको प्रोनाउंस किया तो आप लोगों ने देखा रिपीटेडली क्या साउंड आ रही थी। रिपीटेडली कौन सी साउंड आप लोगों को सुनाई दे रही थी? सेल, फैसिलिटी, फैंसी। कौन सी साउंड सब में आ रही है? यस, सब में कौन सी साउंड हमें रिपीटेडली सुनाई दे रही है? सेल, facility, fancy, certainly, medicine, agency. So the sound S is common between all of them. So this is the common thing. Okay, now is there any spelling which is common between all of them? Okay, what is common between all of them? कौन सा ऐसा अल्फ़ाबेट है जो सब में कॉमन है? Is there any alphabet? Yes. What is common? C, 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 and C. Yes, it's mean it is related to C. Okay. And is there only C or कुछ और भी है इसमें? Okay. यहाँ क्या है? C E है. Here is C I. Here is CY, here is again CE and CI and CY. So what is the common thing? Have you got? Yes. Yes, CE, CI, CY is common between two lines. Okay, and this will be our rule number 2. Look here, this is our rule number 2, and it tells us that whenever we have before E, I or Y. Okay, may say S. Yes, one more time. C before E, I and Y. May say S. Yes, रिमेंबर जब हम लोगों ने प्रोनाउंस किया था तो सब में कौन सी साउंड कॉमन आ रही थी? यस, तो दिस इज आवर रूल नंबर 2. Once again, listen carefully. C before E, I and Y may say S. Yes, you can look at the example one more time. Cell, CE, facility, CI, then we have fancy, CY, and all are giving a sound S. Clear to all? Okay, so this is our rule number 2. You have to keep memorizing the rule as well as the difficult words. Okay, so now let's start our written work. Okay, though this is our rule number 2 and page number is 4. Don't forget to write date. So what's the date today? Today is 9/06 and 20. I'll write one line from each set for you and rest of the work you have to do by yourself. And your writing should be really neat and work should be really clean. So let's start. Yes, as you can see, you have to grip your pen properly and write like this. Formation should be really nice and good. Take your time when you are writing like this. Is it clear? Look at the next one. Yes. Take your time. Writing should be good. Write neatly. Oh my god. Like this. Like this. Your writing should be very nice and neat. Write properly. Yes, let me show you next line. I'll write one line from the next also. Okay, I'll write facility from this line. See it carefully how to write. Writing should be really nice and good. Your words should be touching the line. Is it visible? Oh, sorry. Okay. Look at here how to write. Okay. So this is done. Okay, now I'll write another one for you. Princess. Like this. Okay, like this. So all words are done. Look at the words carefully and write them properly. Okay, now let me tell you the meanings. Okay, what's the first word? First word is cell. So what's the first what is the meaning of cell? Yes, it's a small, आप लोगों ने साइंस में भी पढ़ा होगा, smallest unit of life is called cell. Plant cell भी पढ़ा होगा, animal cell भी पढ़ा होगा. Yes, look at the next one is medicine. मेडिसिन किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं? व्हेन वी आर सिक तो हम लोग मेडिसिन यूज़ करते हैं. देन वी हैव एजेंसी. यस, एजेंसी इज़ अ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रोवाइडिंग अ पर्टिकुलर सर्विस. एक ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और बिजनेस जो एक सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एजेंसी. यस, and next one is central, यानी कि in or at or near the center is called central. For example, my school is near my school is in the center of the city. Yes. Now look at the next one is certainly. Its meaning is surely and definitely. उनके मीनिंग में यानी यकीनन के मीनिंग में आता है when you have surety of anything, तो उसके मीनिंग में आता है certainly. Then we have facility. Facility is used for sahulat. Here we have facility of electricity in city, so that is called facility. Fancy, as you can see in the picture also, this is a fancy dress. Girls like to wear fancy dress. Yes. Next one is princess. So that's all. You have to do your work properly and neatly. Allah Hafiz.